right before
lunch.
If you need a
Munch.
Get yourself some
Brunch.
Wednesdays, 10 a.m. WNCP Radio, The Hawk.
But see, we're on radio, so people can't see us. They can only hear us.
They can envision with their mind.
I'm on the phone and it's going fast and I'm on you, you're already.
Squeeze the life out of it.
Inside my head.
Is it working? Are you dying? It's no fun if you don't die. Ow!
Count it. That video. Hi. Treat those as doled out done were treated upon you. It's in the Bible.
So you messed that up, but you covered it up very well.
Hey, you don't know. Have you read the Bible? Have you read?
Yeah, I have read the Bible before.
The
like
King
a long
Lear
time
version?
ago. The King who?
Lear.
No.
The king after James. Cause I'm gonna take a little trip. I'm on a boat. Cause it's so crisp. I got my swimming trunks. And my flip floppers. And don't be making fun of me for something that you have, jerk. Your time hey, damn it, you win. Already.
If we were punching it beyond.
Inside my head. It's a big blue watery road. Beside it, look at me. Ooh. I never thought it'd be the day when a big boat's coming my way. Believe me when I say I fucked a mermaid. I'm on a boat dance.
They pull his
Say it for me.
Damn.
It's over. It's over.
Stop doing it.
Yeah, why are you keep doing that?
Wednesdays, 10 a.m. on WNTV Radio, The Hawk.
Wednesdays, 10 a.m. on WNCP Radio, The Hawk.